Hello everyone, welcome to our latest hotels review video. In this video, we are at the Taj Palace, New Delhi, which is in diplomatic enclave Chanakyapuri. This is one of the most premium hotels in New Delhi, and you will experience royalty at each and every nook and corner of the hotel. You would find beautiful carpets to beautiful lightings to beautiful artworks, antiques, swimming pool, restaurants, lifestyle store, and each and every nook and corner has something luxurious to offer with an unforgettable experience that you would have here for the lifetime. To start with, in the lobby, you will witness the sight of these fresh and beautiful flowers. You will enjoy that, as well as the ceiling of the hotel is beautifully lit with very interesting lights. And then you will find this antique jhula or swing on the right, which is pretty nice, but you can't sit on it because it is antique and maybe delicate as well. And you can just stroll around, and this particular area right in front is where you can sit. I think it is a restaurant. If not that, here is where you sit with your friends, family, business associates, have a meeting, order some delicious snacks or desserts. And through the large glass, you'll be able to see the outside, the sitting area, the restaurant on the right, and the swimming pool and the lawn, and the garden. So yeah, if you want to see some nature, you can see that through the glass. And Capital Kitchen is one of the restaurants of the hotel, which is a great one. And these are some of the photographs of some of the personalities which have visited the hotel in the past, which also gives you some glimpse into the legacy of this great hotel. And the escalator towards the Capital Kitchen is what takes you to the Khajana, which is a chain of luxury lifestyle stores in some of the Taj hotels, and it has a great collection of traditional clothing, jewelry, etc. So yeah, if you are fond of shopping, you can definitely go there. And if you go down further, you will see another banquet hall. Now, after exploring the lobby and the hotel a bit, now we are gonna explore the room. So the room was very beautiful. It was on the fifth floor, and it was on the other side, not the pool side. So next time we are gonna ask for the poolside room. So the bed was large, and you would find lots of water bottles. Those were glass water bottles, so they have stopped using the plastic water bottles, which is really good as part of ESG and Go Green campaigns. And there was this work desk as well, pretty neat and sleek. So that was of some help when I had to do some office work. So just in case you wanted to do some work or make videos or work briefly, you can just sit on that. We brought some sandwiches with us, so we had those. And there's this nice sitting area, so like you can sit on the sofa and just stare outside, which was pretty nice. And you could see airplanes going by, flying by, because there is airport very close to this hotel. So this was the time lapse I had created randomly. Now exploring the mini bar a little, so we could see there were some packets of walnuts, cashew nuts, almonds, so some of those. And if you would like to have some drinks, there were some cans of those, some bottles, and chocolate, just in case you want to have those. So remember that these are paid ones, so you don't get these for free, and you would have to pay for it. And those are charged at some very premium price. And then we have we you get some teapot and cups, and some wine glasses, some glasses, some tea sachets, milk sachets, coffee sachets. If you're fond of having tea, just put the tea that you have prepared in it, and have a drink towards the window side. And yeah, it would be a good experience. And this was the artwork, and the mini TV, and the lamp, and the glass, and the outside. Now exploring the open cupboard a little, uh, you can hang your clothes here. Yeah, those were some really nice wooden hangers, just in case you're fond of hangers. You can hang those, your coats, and everything. And there is the electronic safe on the right, which would mean just next to the entrance door. You will find that. And always remember to take away your belongings whenever you are checking out, so make sure of that. And there are some drawers, and there was the price list of all the services that they provide. And here you can keep your shoes, which are taken away for complimentary cleanup. And there were some bathroom sleepers as well, so you can take those. And yeah, this is the room, the beautiful room that you get when you stay here. So it would be a nice experience for sure when you are staying here. The staff was very courteous, and the ambience was really nice. The restaurants were really good, although we just went to the Capital Kitchen, which is a multi cuisine restaurant that serves North Indian, South Indian, and continental dishes. So that is a great restaurant, and you must go there. It is having large windows which lets you see through the lawn and the swimming pool area, as well as they have the arrangement to sit outside near the lawn, so that is great. Also, about the room further, the mirror was very nice, very large, good for getting ready, etc. The LCD or the TV was a little small, but that is very typical of the premium hotels. We visited Leela Palace, and it had also the smaller TV, so I think it's pretty normal. And yeah, the artwork on the wall was pretty intricate and nice, typical of Rajasthan, which is great. And in the mornings, you are given this complimentary newspaper, so that is great, just in case you want to stay abreast with what's happening around the world and India. And yeah, this table was pretty nice, and I think it was my favorite thing and favorite part of the room. And about the remote, you just get one, so in case you are searching for the second one, it will take you a lot of time because there isn't one. So yeah, it will let you switch on the TV and switch off the TV. So yeah, this single remote is your lifesaver. The lamp is really nice, but I didn't use it. And this is the note which was left on the table, so that is great. In case you want to write something for the staff, you can do that. Now about the best part of the room, the bathroom. So as you can see, the bathroom is pretty big and well lit up, and you can see the rain shower and the hand shower on the left. So basically the shower thing can be done towards the left. On towards the right, there was the bathtub, which was pretty big and amazing. And there were forest essential toiletry, which is very typical of Taj, because that's what they have it in every Taj, at least the ones we have been to. And there was this massive glass which would let you see the entire room, and there was the electronic curtain. So if you press the button, the curtain will just come down, or if you just press it again, it will just go up. And there were lots of towels, which is good. So the toiletry contained the forest essentials shampoo, body shower, conditioner, and then the butter soap, which was really good. So, and it smells really nice, so whenever you are here, you will definitely smell very good. And you would also get some comb, some toothbrush, toothpaste, sachets. So those are things which you get in the bathroom, and I think you can just call them for more in case you have exhausted yours. So in all, the bathroom was really good, very typical of the 5 stars, and you would definitely enjoy that. And now talking about the cake that we got, it was a really good caramel pineapple cake, I think, and it tasted very good. So that was nice, and this is the lift area which lets you go down or up wherever you want. And we'll be going for our breakfast now. But before that, if you want to see how the lobby looks like, which is so beautiful, and this is how the Taj Palace looks like from outside. Absolutely gorgeous, massive, and this area towards the left is the capital kitchens area. So there is some sitting outside as well. And this is the pool area, and you can see the pigeon flying. So lots of pigeon have placed over here, and just in case you want to do swimming, you can come early. I think it starts from 6 a.m. and they are having their own changing room basically, which is shared with the gym. So you can go there, change, take a steam bath as well over there. There were lockers, you can get those. There will be comb and dryer and towels, so everything is taken care of very beautifully over here. And you can take shower here as well. There was one spot which had the tap, so you can just take a quick shower, or you can just go down towards that the changing area. So the capital kitchen, here we are for the morning buffet, and we can see a lot of amazing delicious food that was available for as part of the buffet. The capital kitchen restaurant is very beautiful, and the variety of food they had in the buffet was really good. I had all of this, and you can imagine how full my tummy was, but I could eat more and more and more. And that is something which I do typically, because I enjoy and devour the meal, and that is something that you can do as well when you're here. And the collection was really good. I mean, North Indian, South Indian, desserts, collection of juices, and mocktails. Everything was very good. So in desserts, I had ordered waffles, and pancakes were also on offer. There were fruits, there were nuts, so many combinations of cheese as well. So you would just enjoy your breakfast. And right outside the capital kitchen, there are washrooms, and back to the lobby again. And now let's head to the swimming pool area in the night, which looks so good. As you can see now, the bluish tone of the swimming pool is just magical. And you can definitely spend time walking around in the lawn, or you can just sit on the sides where there was a sitting area. It looked really good, as you will see in few seconds. And overall the stay was very comfortable, very good, and you would be refreshed over here. So yeah, you can let us know what are your queries about your potential stay at Taj Palace, New Delhi, and hopefully you will be able to give you more insights about anything that you would like to know. This is the sitting area outside near the lawns. So that is something which I was talking about. In case you want to sit here, you definitely can, and for hours you can enjoy the fresh air, and being outside in the nature is so good and relaxing. And finally, this is us leaving the hotel, and we definitely enjoyed our stay, and hopefully you will too. and let us know in case you are having any questions, and we would be happy to respond back. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. You can support this travel and exploration YouTube channel by subscribing to it and sharing it with your friends and family. Thanks so much for watching.